today's video I'm going to show you how to add an NGL link to your Instagram story and launch NGL App on your device. NGL allows anyone to send you anonymous messages on your Instagram story. In the app, you will see an option to copy your link. Tap on copy link. Copy your unique NGL link. Exit NGL app on your Instagram app and swipe right to open Instagram camera, record video or take photo, or you can upload an existing one from your gallery. Tap on sticker icon at the top, find link sticker, and if you don't see it, use search bar at the top to search for link. Tap on link sticker, and in the URL field tap and hold to paste NG link you copy URL. Tap on done to insert link. Move link sticker to your desired location on Instagram. You can resize it by pinching in or out with 2 fingers. Add in text or other stickers, such as send me an anonymous message to encourage interaction. Once you are satisfied with your story, tap on your story at the bottom left to pause it.